Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I am eating KFC. I've not had KFC on my channel for, do you know what? I think it might have been a year. I can't even remember. So what we have today is 6 pieces of original chicken. We have the, oh God, I can't remember what it is. Guys, let me have a look because I can't remember. We have the Zinger Tower Burger with, this has got chicken, it has a hash brown, so amazing. We have, also it has cheese, lettuce, I think bacon as well. Fries, we have some popcorn chicken, gonna have one. Some gravy and some coleslaw. Let's get into the video. We also have a Diet Coke here. So guys, we have a fast food mukbang this week because I am going to be so busy this coming week. So I've got literally no time to film. I'm doing something every day, so I thought I'll do a fast food mukbang. The fries are a bit better than the McDonald's ones. I'm just going to have some ketchup. Let's get into the video. Disclaimer, guys, this is a cheat meal for me, so I'm going to enjoy it. I'll try to, because I'm still kind of dealing with my eating issues. Right, let's have some coleslaw. Right. Chicken, baby. Let's have one. It just falls off the bone. I do have a bag just to put everything in. Yeah, so guys, I am kind of still quite these mukbangs kind of help me not to think because I'm talking to you guys. So thank you. Let's get this burger underway. So we have hash brown, chicken, salad. Oh my God, let's go. So good. I'm so hungry today, guys. The weather is scorching, literally scorching. Can't even believe it. I'm not really a fan of. Is this a thigh? Yummy, guys. Let's get the gravy open. Everyone goes on about the gravy. Ooh. Coleslaw. So good. So I got 2 coleslaws because I thought that one wasn't included in the meal, but it is. How stupid. Mmm. Guys, I'm kind of full already. Oh my God. I always have to buy a lot of food because it doesn't look good when you have nothing on the plate. But I've gone a bit mad. Guys, I just want to say thank you to everyone. This is so good, guys. It's got like a Zinger salsa in it as well. Mmm. God, it's crazy. My stomach has shrunk so much. Guys, I hope I'm not too far away. I've just had a look at the footage and it looks like I am. So great. Mm. Gosh, I am really full. There's only one wing left. I mean, I prefer drumsticks. I don't really like wings. I mean, breast. Guys, it is so warm today. It's just it's crazy. These are lovely. Popcorn chicken. You know, I don't really eat a lot of chicken, guys, at all. Wow. Diet Coke is life. I'm still waiting for someone to sponsor me and then I haven't. Sick of it now. I've been waiting for 2 years. Oops. So what's your favourite food in KFC? What's your favourite? Mine is the burgers. I mean, everyone goes on about the gravy being amazing, and it needs some salt. By the way, guys, I wanted to say thank you for the success my channel has just gained. I just can't believe we are literally taking off. Video views, subs, I mean, so happy, guys. We're going to be at 20,000 very, very soon, sooner than I thought. I also want to say thank you to the haters. You know why I've noticed that there's more, is there any in here? I need some more. You know why I've noticed that there's more, I've had more success, I've noticed, because I'm getting a lot more hate. Hate to me is a sign of success. So, bring it on, bitch. That's what I say. Bring it on, because my channel is thriving. Right, guys. What a mess. I'm such a messy eater. So, guys, I love you all so much. Thank you for watching my video. What's your favourite item at KFC? Kentucky Fried Chicken. I believe that's a Colonel, isn't it? Anyway, guys, I love you so much. Thank you for your love and support and everything else. You guys mean the world to me. I love you all beyond the moon and the stars. You're all just fantastic. And without you, I'd be nothing. So thank you for your love and support. Let's get to 20k. I love you all so much, guys, from the bottom of my heart. You are just amazing. Thank you for watching. I also have a membership area on my channel if you'd like to subscribe. I post exclusive content on there. And I also have a Patreon if you want to support me on there. I'd love it so much. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.